Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open chests in Castle Wars Idle Islands. So to do this you need to get the chest points and press this button right here with the chest drawn on it, like this. And from here you'll be able to open the chests, but to actually open them you need these points, as I mentioned earlier. So I have 134 out of 200, so I'm gonna open this one now. And now we can pick which reward we want, or we can either re-roll them. I'm gonna get this one. And you can also open multiple chests like this. Just pick the one you want. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.